Hello.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Okay, so me and my niece are going to teach you guys how to make a deep fried turkey. Okay, we're just going to use a 5-gallon cooler, a big old pot to boil water. You need a nice cute niece, and that's where we'll start. Alright, so this is the first part of it, which is the brine. 16 ounces of salt in 6 quarts of water with a bunch of spices. You can throw whatever you want in there. And a pound of brown sugar. And that starts the brine. And then you throw about 5 pounds of ice in there to cool it down, and then throw the turkey in there and leave it for about 24 hours. And that starts the process. Oh, and don't forget the garlic. There are about 20 minced garlic cloves in there. You can probably put about an elephant in there. Alright, next part is the ice. So we're just going to throw in about 6 pounds of ice. It calls for 5, but I have 3-pound bags, so just be careful it doesn't splash back up at you. That's boiling water down there. Alright, and then you put the turkey in. Alright, now it's completely submerged. And close it off. Leave it for 24 hours and we're good. Alright, next thing you do is you take the turkey out of the brine. So I've taken the turkey out right here, and you rinse it off. Alright, so for this next part, we're going to heat up the oil to about 250 degrees, and we'll put the turkey in. Let's check the temperature right now. It's been in there for a little while, so it looks like it's a little over 250 right now. We got to lower this down, so we'll be back in a bit. Alright, and here's the moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and drop the turkey in.
Good boy. Pick this up outside the trailer.
I know, just keep
Slide it. Slide a turkey outside in the driveway.
Alright. Alright, and we're going to bring the temperature back up to about 300 degrees and then hold it steady for about 45 minutes and the turkey should be done. Yeah. Alright, so we're almost done and we're going to check the internal temperature of the turkey, make sure that it's at 161.
Okay, let me know if you need the plate out here or not. Do you need the plate?
So I'm going to hand that to you. And just stick it in the breast. What are we at?
150, 160, 170, 180.
Where are we at?
Almost 200.
Okay, let's make sure that we really get it in the breast.
No, I'm serious. I
little
do
deeper?
it.
Deep in there, yeah.
Very organized and taking it out.
Alright, I think we're good to go. Okay, and thank you. Okay, so I need to...
Oh, look at that.
And can someone turn... Careful, that's going to be hot.
Okay.
So grab that little glove and then turn the knob
You want to hold
counterclockwise.
Turn the gas off.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, I'm not going to let go.
So,
Yeah.
so this is clockwise. So counterclockwise.
No, not that one.
Oh,
The
wait.
red one.
Red one.
What's
This
the
way?
whole thing off? Yeah, you can probably take the whole thing off. It has a sign, has a symbol on it. And so,
Okay, it's off.
yeah, I'm not letting go.
Dun, dun, dun.
Alright, you first.
He's a beast.
Counter or table?
Right there for now. It's good. We're still trying to fix up the counter.
Alright, and that is our deep fried turkey. Alright, so this is what's left of our deep fried turkey. I hope you guys learned how to deep fry your turkey for next year. Happy Thanksgiving.